Illness is a program, and sound can rewrite it. BRT, Bioresonance tones. These are short, 5-minute, narrow-focused rhythms that work deeper than regular audio. Their job is simple: to realign the body, the organ, or the process that slipped out of balance. Our body reacts to sound faster than to thoughts, affirmations, or mental techniques. That's why BRT works like targeted reprogramming through resonance. It's non-traditional, yes, but incredibly effective for many people. They use it for pain, inflammation, hormonal shifts, stress, and issues with specific organs. Fabulas are longer audios. They're recorded in very high resolution and encoded in FLAC, so nothing gets lost. The cleaner the sound, the stronger the effect. Their principle is simple. Many people live with a deep inner belief like something is wrong or I can't heal. This belief becomes a program, and the body just follows it. A fabula is a suggestive audio code that rewrites this belief. Not with words, not with logic, but with energy, state, and nonverbal signals. In simple terms, a fabula shows the organ how to be healthy, and the subconscious follows the instruction. Duration. One BRT session is 15 to 20 minutes. That's the sweet spot, deep enough without overwhelming the system. Several BRTs on the same topic. You can listen to a few tracks in a row. Just keep the total time within 20 minutes. How often? 3 to 4 times a day if it feels right for you. Always listen to your body. It knows its limits. Breaks. Leave about 1.5 hours between sessions. Your system needs that space to integrate the process. To get a real effect, listen to all BRTs and Fabulas with headphones only. Resonance has to go directly into the nervous system. Think of BRT as a precision tool. When you need to support a specific organ, there's a rhythm built exactly for that task. Fabulas amplify the effect. They don't work with the body itself. They work with the programs that control the body. Together, they create a shift you can feel, deep and fast. Why people choose BRT and Fabulas? Because they're simple, because they're targeted, because 5 minutes can change how your body feels, because they often help when regular methods don't. And the main reason? You can feel it quickly, directly, without extra words. Listen anywhere, at home, in bed, on the bus, during a break, when it hurts, when it's too much, when anxiety spikes, when you need quick support for an organ or a system. The location doesn't matter. The sound quality does. If you need a specific BRT, leave a comment. Most tracks on this channel were created on request. And if this space feels right for you, subscribe. New BRTs, new Fabulas, and new body support tools appear here regularly. Take care and listen closely. Your body will respond.